Dear students, good evening. I am Ramdas. I welcome you to my channel Maths from Basics for you. This is my video number 48. So today we are going to do an important problem for the examination point of view on circles. So we have been asked to find the equation for a circle passing to the points 1, 5, 5, 3 and 3, -1. So dear students, as I said, I want every child in this world to be good in mathematics, to be sound in mathematics. For that I'll go all out to see that you are good in mathematics. But I need your help to do so, because without your help it's not possible. For that you need to share my videos to the maximum students, your friends, your classmates, your colleagues and whom all you know, and to others. So what happens is everybody will be benefited to learn from a video and they will be good in mathematics, and thereby my ambition will be fulfilled and you will be doing a noble job in the interest of mankind. So without wasting time, let's start. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, because it will reach everybody, and especially after subscribing, please press the bell button and select all, so that every videos of mine will reach you in time. Okay, dear students, we'll start. So dear students, so what I'll do, so we have supposed to find the equation of line passing through these points. So dear students, what I do is, solution, let the equation to the circle be what? I'll take this x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c equals to 0. Right? This is nothing but a general equation to circle, and I call this as equation 1. Done? So I'll write here. So this is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c equals to 0. I call this as equation 1. So just make it a habit in your exams or in the class also. Whatever equation you are deriving, some important formulas, whatever it is, write to the right of your answer sheet or your books, so that it will help you. This will lead you to do your problems without any mistakes. So done. Now what you do is, given that the circle passes through through 1, 5, 5, 3 and 3, -1. Done. So dear students, what we'll do is, after coming to this stage, we'll take points 1, 5, 5, 3, 3, -1 and substitute in the equation 1 alternatively. Okay. So first, considering what I consider 1, 5, that is 1, 5, and substitute it in equation 1. So here x equals to 1, y equals to 5. So what happens to 1? Equation 1 becomes what? That is 1 square plus 5 square plus 2g, x is 1 plus 2f, y is 5 plus c equals to 0. Let's solve this. So what happens to this? This becomes 1 plus 5 square is 25 plus 2g, if you multiply this with 2g plus 2 into 5 is 10f plus c equals to 0. So I'll rub this. So what I'll write, first I'll begin this 2g plus 10f plus c, then I'll take this value. That becomes 2g plus 10f plus c, 25 plus 1 is 26 plus 26 equals to 0. I call this as equation 2. So what is our equation 2? That is 2g plus 10f plus c plus 26 equals to 0. This is equation 2. Done. I rub this. Next, I'll consider point 5, 3. Now, considering 5, 3 and substitute it in equation 1. Here x equals to 5, y equals to 3. So what happens to equation 1? So equation is 5 square plus 3 square plus 2g into x is 5 plus 2f, this is 3 plus c equals to 0. So I have used equation 1 and substitute the value of x equals to 5, y equals to 3, and this is what we have got. So let's simplify this. So what happens to this? This becomes 5 square is 25 and 3 square is 9 plus 2 into 5 10g, 3 into 2 6f plus c equals to 0. So let's rearrange it. So by rearranging, what happens here? First I will take 10j plus 6f plus c plus 25 plus 9 is 34 equals to 0. I call this as equation 3. What is equation 3? 10G plus 6F plus C plus 34 equals to 0. That is equation 3. Done. So next, considering 3 comma minus 1. Considering 3 comma minus 1. Here x equals to 3, y equals minus 1. Then I rub this. What happens here? So equation 1 becomes what? So that is equals to, equation 1 is x square. X square is 3 square plus y, that is minus 1 square plus 2g, x is 3 plus 2f, y is minus 1 plus c equals to 0. Let's simplify this. This becomes 9 plus minus 1 square is nothing but minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1 into 1 is 1. So this is plus 1 plus 2 3s are 6 g minus into plus minus 2f plus c equals to 0. We will rearrange this, that is 6g minus 2f plus c plus 10 equals to 0. I call this as equation 4. Done. Very simple way, that is 6g minus 2f plus c plus 10 equals to 0. This is equation 4. I love this. So dear students, now we have seen that the circle crosses all the points. We have made use of all the points. Now what next? So dear students, here lies a trick. So dear students, I have arranged all this in such a way that it should be easily available to you at your fingertips. This is what experience and good teaching counts. So in the event if you have written the book or somewhere without marking all this, it will be very difficult for you to search and waste of time. So what happens is, as a ready reckoner, you can pick whatever equation you want and rewrite it. So what I will do, I have to find the values of G, F and C. Once you find the values of G, F and C, the problem is solved. Now, how to solve this? That is very important. See, you have to make use of some, here we have 3 unknowns. All that is G, F and C are unknown. So what we will do, we will take any of these equations and try to solve it. So let us not put our hands for equation 1. Among these 3, what I will do is, first I will give a very good hint for you, which you should remember while dealing problems on circles. So what you do is, whenever you find this 2g plus 10f plus c plus 26 or so whatever it is, try to eliminate c. Don't try to put your hand for g and f. First to eliminate c, the things will be easier for you. So how? I am going to teach you now. So what I will do, I will consider equation 2 minus equation 3. If you minus equation 2, that is equation 3 minus, that is equation 3 minus equation 2, we will get rid of c. That is, now to find the values of common F, G and C. Hint, very important hint. First, try to eliminate C, right? If you eliminate C, you can solve all the other equations. How? I'm going to teach you. So what I'll do is, now equation 2 minus equation 3 gives what? What is equation 2? 2G, that is 2G plus 10F plus C plus 26 equals to 0, and equation 3 is 10G plus 6F plus C plus 34 equals to 0. I'll subtract, that is 2 minus 1 means subtract. What happens here? This becomes, this is both are plus, this becomes minus. Change the signs, minus, and this also minus, and this also minus, right? What happens here? This is plus 2 minus 10, so 8 minus 8G. So here plus 10F minus 6F, it becomes plus 4F. Here plus C minus C cancels. So here plus 24 minus 34, that is becomes minus 8 equals to 0. I'll write this. Here we have minus 8G plus 4F and minus 8 equals to 0. I don't like negative things in life, even in mathematics. But what to do? We have to deal with it. So here what I'll do, I'll get rid of this minus value. How? What I'll do is, I'll multiply it throughout by minus value, minus sign. What happens this? That is, multiply by negative sign. What happens then? Minus into plus, minus into minus. So minus into minus becomes plus 8G, minus into plus minus 4F, minus into minus plus equals to, whether it is minus 0 or plus 0 hardly matters. So even if you take this also, it is hardly matters. So now plus minus plus equals to 0. So I call this as equation. So now, so what I'll do is, what is common here? Definitely 4. But I don't take 4 as common. What I'll do on the contrary, I'll take 2 as common. Why? I'll tell you later. That is 4G minus 2f plus 4 equals to 0. Now what I do is, I want to eliminate this 2. How can you do that? So what I do, I divide throughout by 2. So what happens? If I divide, I want to get rid of this 2. So I'll rub this. If I divide this equation by 2, what happens here? Let us, for namesake, let me do this. So divided by 2. So this 2 and this 2 cancels, and 0 by 2 is nothing but 0. So this 2 is gone. So I'll do like this, I'll write this. So I divide this by 2 means I have shown you what happens. So this becomes what? Next equation, that is 4g minus 2f plus 4 equals to 0. So I call this as equation 5. So what is the equation 5? 4g minus 2f plus 4 equals to 0. This is our equation 5. Equation 5. Now dear students, I have not taken 4 as common, but I have taken 2. I'll tell you the reason little later. Now I have called this equation 5. Now what you have to do is, the next step after coming here, what you have to think, I'll give you a very good hint. That is, I have to get rid of this C. First, don't aim at G and F, but always in such problems, how to eliminate C. So what we'll do? We'll remove this C. How? That is, I'll do like this, equation 3 minus equation 4. So I'll subtract equation 3 minus 4. So now, to find the value of C, so equation 3 minus equation 4 gives what? That is, equation 3 is 10g plus 6f plus c plus 34 equals to 0. Right, and equation 4 is 6g minus 2f plus c plus 10 equals to 0. So I'll subtract. What happens? This is plus sign, minus, alternative sign. If it is minus, plus, minus. If it is minus, put plus, and this minus, minus. So what happens? 10 minus 6 is 4g plus 6f plus 2 becomes plus 8f. 8f plus c minus a cancels, and this left with plus 24 equals to 0. I call this as equation 6. So what is equation 6? 4g plus 8f plus 24 equals to 0. This is our equation 6. So I rub this. So dear students, I told you why I took 2 as common because I wanted this 4G, because here also we have 4G, here also we have 4G. That's why experience counts and good teacher counts. If I had taken 8G, again would have had problems. So in order to get this G cancelled, 4G cancelled, I had taken 2 as common. So what happens here? Now what I will do, equation 5 minus equation 6. So we can get rid of one unknown from this. We have two unknowns here. So one of these unknowns can be cancelled by subtracting equation 5 minus equation, by subtracting equation 6 from equation 5. That is equation 5 minus 6. Now to find the values of F, G and C. Done. What I do, I take equation 5 minus equation 6. Gives what? What is equation 5? 4G minus 2F plus 4 equals to 0. This is equation 5. This is equation 4 and 4G plus 8F plus 24 equals to 0. This is equation 5. So we will subtract again. So this we have plus minus alternative sign. So plus will be minus, plus will be minus, and this will be a minus. So plus 4G minus 4G cancels. So what happens here? Minus 10F plus 4 minus 24. That becomes minus 20 equals to 0. So both sides have minus. I don't want this negative sign to begin with, and I hate negativities. So multiply this with minus negative sign. What happens? Minus into minus becomes what? 10F. This becomes again plus 20 equals to 0. So this minus 0 or plus 0 has no value. So what happens is, I send this 20 to on the right hand side. That is 10F equals to minus 20. Therefore F will be what? Minus 20 by F will be minus 20 by 10. So 1 0 cancels. So minus 2 by 1, that is nothing but minus 2. Therefore F equals to minus 2. We'll make a note of this. So F equals minus 2. Let me write this 2 nicely. Minus 2. Now what we'll do is, we'll put F equals minus 2 in either equation 4 or equation 5, because one of these equation will be dhamar, get cancelled. So in order to get this equation F cancelled, so that we will get a value of G. So in order to make F dhamar, we will put F equals minus 2 in equation 4 or 5. Which equation would you choose? I will choose 4, because smaller values, let us wait for smaller values. So put, I will write this, put f equals minus 2 in equation 5 or equation 6, your choice. So I prefer equation 5 because I want to play safe. It's not difficult, but let us encourage small people, small values. So that equals to what? 4g minus 2f plus 4 equals to 0. What is this? This is our equation 5. But f equals minus 2, isn't it? From here. So what happens to equation 5? Now equation 5 becomes what? Four g minus 2 into minus 2, because f is minus 2, I put the value of f as minus 2, plus 4 equals to 0. So let's simplify this. So what happens? This becomes 4g minus into minus plus 2 into 2 is 4 plus 4 equals to 0. 4 plus 4 is 8. That is 4g plus 8 equals to 0. Or what I'll do? I'll transfer this 8 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 8. That is 4g equals minus 8 and g equals minus 8 by 4, that is nothing but minus 2. Therefore, g also equals to minus 2. Papa. Very sad. F also minus 2, G also minus 2. I don't know, तेरा क्या होगा कालिया? ये तो फिल्म शोले का डायलॉग है. तेरा क्या होगा रे कालिया? Whenever you see in circles, उसको कालिया बोल दो. K is कालिया, but here we will make C as कालिया. So G equals minus 2. So what we'll do is we'll substitute the value of f equals minus 2 and g equals minus 2 in any of this equation. What is equation 3 or 2 or 1? No, sorry, equation 2, 3, 4. Either of this you'll get a value of c. So what I'll do is lastly put f equals to minus 2, g equals to minus 2 in equation 2 or 3 or 4. In any of this equation you can put, because we know the value of g, we know the value of f, but we don't know the value of c. But we will have only one unknown. We can easily find out. So what happens now? So what is the equation? We'll take the smaller value. We'll go for equation 4. From equation 4 I'll write correctly. equation 4, we get what? We get, what is equation 4? 6g minus 2f plus c plus 10 equals to 0. So f equals minus 2, g equals minus 2, that is 6 into minus 2 minus 2 into minus 2 plus c plus 10 equals to 0. We will solve this. So if you multiply this, minus 12, minus 6, minus 2 into 6 is minus 12, minus into minus plus 4 plus 10 plus c equals to 0. If you sum up all this, what happens? 14 minus 12 is 2, that is plus 2 plus c equals to 0. So if 2 goes to right hand side, therefore c also equals to minus 2. Wow, what a coincidence. C equals minus 2. So we have got f equals minus 2, g equals minus 2 and c also equals minus 2. What a coincidence. Kalia minus 2 ban gaya. So what we'll do is, after knowing the values of f, g and c, substitute these values in the general equation to circle, that is the equation 1, because we had presumed let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c equals to the line equals to 0 be the line passing through these points. So consider this. So what I'll do, to find the circle passing through the points what 1 comma 5, 5 comma 3 and 3 comma minus 1. Right? We have to find this now. Now put c equals minus 2, f equals minus 2 and g equals minus 2 in equation 1. What is the equation? This is the general equation to circle. What happens? That is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c equals to 0. Right? This was our equation 1, isn't it? So we'll substitute the values of f, g and c. This is x square plus y square plus 2g is minus 2 into x plus 2 is minus, f is minus 2 into y plus c is minus 2 equals to 0. So dear students, one thing I want to alert you, whenever you get a value minus 2, when you have plus sign before, so what you do, put a bracket and put a minus sign within it, because you chances are there, every possibility. I have seen some students going wrong here. So what happens is minus into plus becomes minus, but they write plus itself and forget. So don't do that. So like good boys, do this. So what happens with this? This is x square plus y square. 2 into 2 is 4. So we have minus into plus, minus 4x, again minus into plus, minus 2 into 2 is 4, minus 4y, minus into plus is minus 2 equals to 0. So finally, this is the required equation to the circle, which is passing to the points 1 comma 5, 5 comma 3, 3 comma minus 1. So if you get such problems, this is the only method, procedure, which is very simple, very clear and very easy to solve this problem. So dear students, I have done my job and I need your support to fulfill my dreams. I have told you my ambition to see that I want every child in this world to be strong in mathematics or good in mathematics. So that is possible only if you and I take the responsibility of sharing this video to most of the students throughout the world, most of the children throughout the world, so that even they also are benefited from my video. So as such, it's your prime responsibility to see that, because I have taken so much of pain, so much of hard work I have put, and so much of sincerity I have put in my efforts. So it's your responsibility now to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe to my channel and press the bell button and click all, such that whatever videos I post, you will get a notification one day in advance, because I usually set my videos as premiere. So if I have, you will get the next day, you will be able to see this problem. So dear students, with this note, I hope you will definitely help other students in the interest of mankind. So when I am taking pains, you should take a little bit of responsibility. So I end my videos with the hope that you will like, share and subscribe to my channel. So dear students, thanks for watching my YouTube, my channel. So God bless you, take care, love you all, good night, love you. Please share this and like and subscribe.